If you're using celebrity images, trademarks, and copyrighted content in print-on-demand designs, you are in a very risky situation. Oh my god, you need to watch this video. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to share you some information about copyrights, trademarks, image rights. If you are new to here and you need to earn money online, start by subscribing and smashing the bell icon. If you don't know what's print on demand, it's a way to set custom printed items by syncing designs in a company website that takes orders, print, pack and send them to buyers. Only thing you have to do is just upload your design. I recommend you to start from Redbubble and Teespring. Move into the today's topic. Logos, characters, phrases or even likenesses can fall under intellectual property. So you will need to be aware of the copyright issues. Businesses that use celebrity images will lose money that he or she invested on that company. For example, Rihanna and Beyonce sued some t-shirt companies under image rights. There are many cool t-shirts with Lucifer face, Tom Elias. But do they have full authority to use them? Now you may think, yes, why not? They are copyright free. Images may be copyright free, or you may lawfully purchase them from a photographer or a website. But you cannot use them in commercial purposes. The reason is you must first obtain the permission of the individual concerned. This is because the purchase of an image only addresses the issue of copyright. It does not necessarily protect you from legal actions being taken on grounds of trademark violations or passing off in respect of how you use the celebrity image. Keep in mind, image rights falls under individual rights, and it includes the right to prevent unauthorized use of their name, physical or style, signature or slogans. For an example, Kylie Jenner trademark blocked Rise and Shine phrase. If the phrase is widely known and generally associated with the celebrity, you may be violating a trademark that the state owns. These do not have to be registered to be valid. A company can create a common law infringement trademark if they are using it in a commercial purpose and are associated with the mark. Actually, I'm really pissed off when someone trademark a word or a phrase in any language. How can someone own a word or phrase? It's very annoying. What you will think if some trademark block? What is it to desire? Detective? Like phrases. It's not cool. Now you are really discouraged and pissed off with me. Don't worry, let me help you. Before that, can you please smash the like button and help your brother out? Okay, so what we can do? First one, register trademark search. You can go to the following website, and there are some other similar websites shown in my other videos too. However, if it is not registered and you are not sure about that, best practice is to sit down with an experienced intellectual property lawyer and discuss. Second, if you can create tasteful t-shirt designs inspired by others, introducing unique twists such as mashups and create something new, fair use policy will be helpful in these situations. But sometimes this might not be enough to fight off in a bad situation. If you really piss off the copyright owner, or maybe a company with the resources, and by that you motivate them to take actions, then they will surely sue you up. Fair use is a legal defense that is used in a court and it is widely open for debate. It is impossible to pin out exactly what is it and what isn't fair usage without the judge and jury. Third one is artworks. Artists have a First Amendment right to express themselves. Can you remember the Tiger Woods case? The court found that the artist's First Amendment rights were more important than the Tiger Woods' right of publicity. You can read about that case and perhaps get an idea of where you stand. So you're telling me to be an artist now? No. See, there are cartoons and illustration images of Lucifer, Chloe, and Lopez too. You can use Illustrator or any other software, or maybe an app or a website to create your designs. In some instances, if an image of a face of a person may be owned by a company, for an example, this image of Tom may be on my Netflix. My point is, sometimes you have to do a little research and find the true owner or owners and seek permission from them. Fifth one is have a strong track record for coming down hard on copyright issues, and I really like to show you. Sixth one is don't use existing brand names in your title, description, or any other marketing material. Seventh one is have stable financial resources if you get sued. Eighth one is do not personally deform someone, mostly when using political figures. Ninth one is stay low and ready for any situation. 10th one and the last one and the best one and most using one is forget all the shitty laws I mentioned and just use anything without any permission and hope you won't get caught. I think most of the creators are using this method. This is very illegal. But sometimes celebrities and companies don't care about using the images or logos. But as I mentioned above, if you really piss them off, you'll have to pay off everything you earn by using their franchise and sometimes extras too. Finally, I must say that this video is for education and information purposes only. This is not a legal advice. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. If you value this content, please subscribe. Stay awesome, guys.